Do you love it?
I don't want to go in the fog though.
It's just a little steam. Oh, the doggy's trying to squirt us.
He got us.
Uh-oh, somebody's taking a bath over here.
Oh no, he got me.
Mama, put your phone down.
You know my hand?
What are the people doing up there?
Oh, they're just looking.
I bet they have a great view up there. Mama, we can't let my bracelet get wet.
It's okay. Oh!
There's water coming from everywhere.
What's that water?
Oh, I think we just missed it, hopefully. Are they going to play the music? Oh, look, they're playing music.
They got ya.
Oh, they got me too.
Will we get wet anymore?
I don't know. This is just steam in here,
We're going under the bridge now.
like fog.
That's nice and cool.
Yeah, I wish I lived in there. It's a little too cold.
It's a little too cold.
Yeah,
Did you have fun?
yeah.
Okay, it's all over.